Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Zenless Zone Zero game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Zenless Zone Zero game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, you will see the press to play option. Now, if you wish to turn off sounds within the game, then first of all, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner, which will take you into the settings menu. Within this page, tap on audio, and now you can change the volume levels of various different audios. Turn the sliders all the way to the left and set the values to 0 if you want to mute the sounds. You can change the main volume, the music volume, as well as the SFX and dialogue volume. Once you set all of these values to 0, you can go back and enjoy your game, and you will notice that there is no sound playing within the game anymore. If you wish to change these settings back, you can come back to the same menu and then use the slider to adjust the audios once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Zenless Zone Zero game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.